Do you know many people are having trouble with assembling their new Dyson vacuum? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Insert handle. First, place your vacuum upright and slide the handle firmly into the main body until you hear a click. Step 2. Attach hose. Next, attach the hose. Ensure the wand is secure by pressing the wand release button and sliding it down until it's locked. Step 3. Fit cleaner head. Lay the machine on its back. Position the cleaner head, pushing it upwards into the ball until the red button clicks. Step 4. Attach tool holder. Attach the tool holder on the side of the machine. If available, slide the combination tool into the holder. Step 5. Secure cable. Stand the vacuum upright. Wrap the cable around the hooks using the cable clip to keep it in place securely. After completing these simple steps, your Dyson Ball Animal 3 should be ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dyson users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.